Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at crypto.com DeFi wallet and we're looking at Chronos. First of all, the Crow, 45 cents, holding steady. We are up a little bit higher before, but we backed off a little, following, of course, the main market leader Bitcoin was up higher and it's come off the high, but we're still maintaining 44, which is a good goal. 44K, awesome. So let's get to why we're here today. This crypto's holding steady, but we're looking for an advantage in the market. Now, these new DeFi apps, they're called D-apps, all right, are newer than some other ones. Okay, we looked at VVS Finance. We kind of lost a lot there. All right, we went from 1K down to about 400 bucks, and that's bad. So we're going to see if we can do better, and hopefully we can. So you can see MM Finance already at 969 million, pretty cool. So I'm going to split between MM Finance and MM Optimizer. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the Optimizer, and we're going to see what the rates are. They used to be over 1,000%, and I'm still banking on that being the case. Now, first when you launch this app, first thing you got to do is you got to connect your wallet. So it's pretty easy. Just click the connect wallet. Hopefully your crypto.com wallet's hooked up, and bam, it auto-populates. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So let's take a look. What we got, 800%, that's respectable. 100%, not bad. 55, here's where we want to go. 1,400, 2,300%. Oh yeah, I need some of that. Now, the difference here between MMF Crow pool and MMF UDC pool is 500%, and UDC is a little more stable than MMF, but Crow is probably going to rise higher quicker than MMF or UDC, since UDC is a stable coin. So it's hard to say. There could be some impairment loss here at some point, but I'm going to start with this one, MMF Crow. So you can see here we need to stake some LP. So first thing we need to do is approve MMF Crow. So in order to do that, we need, okay, it says 0 meerkat LP balance. 0. Well, that's true because I haven't really set it up yet, right? So first thing we need to do is activate the pool. So it costs 0.2 for a big deal. That's not very much. Okay, 50 cents a crow, less than 50 cents. All right, not a bad deal. So let's start adding up these fees to see how much it's going to take. So you can see I successfully approved. Now, in order to stake, I need to go and get some MMF MMO. So, how do I do that? Let's go back. How would I get MMF? Swap. Here we go. I thought there was an option on the main menu to swap, but I guess not. Alright, so I'm going to go 25%. I'm going to keep actually round numbers. Alright, let's go round numbers here. I'm going to go 50 crow, and I'm going to put it in MMF. Alright, you can see the total here would be 19.7 at current exchange rates. Alright, and it's going to cost how much? 0.085 CRO for liquidity provider fee. Alright, whatever. So, swap. Alright, here we go. Swap, and go on 50 CRO to 19.79 MMF. Alright, price updated. You gotta be quick about it. No dawdling. Alright, see if we can get it to go. And it's going to cost 1.06 CRO for the swap. Oh, geez. Here we go. Alright. So, that should have worked. Alright, there we go. You can see the transaction receipt. Perfect. I can look it up on Kronos again if I wish. But I don't wish right now. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the liquidity tab here. Alright, and I'm going to say add liquidity. Select the currency. So, the limiting factor here is my MMF. And I'm going to say CRO. So I'm going to say max MMF. It's going to cost about 50 CRO, which is about what I'm calculating. About 100 CRO total for this staking of the pool. Alright, so now I need to, now I need to enable MMF. Alright, so I'm already starting to rack up the fees. Another 0.28 CRO. Oof, alright, well, there we go. That's the cost of doing business. Thank you very much. Alright, now I can see the transaction receipt if I wish. I don't wish. So, I'm going to say max. Now that I can actually do this, I'm going to say supply. And I'm going to say confirm supply. Perfect. So now I gotta wait for another confirmation. Holy cow, it's gonna cost another 1.5 CRO. Man, this thing is nickeling and diming me to death here. That's crazy. Alright. So now, alright, there's my transaction receipt. Perfect. And now you can see I have LP tokens in my wallet. I have 29.52 LP. I have CRO and MMF pooled. So next I need to go back to the... Alright, so we're back here at MMF. And hopefully we can see here that we have LP in our wallet. And we want to say max. And that's pretty much what I had before. So now we're going to be making 324% here at Meerkat, Mad Meerkat Optimizer. I want to say stake. MMF, CRO. It's going to, whoa. It's going to cost 6 more CRO. What the heck? 6 CRO to stake in the farm. Wow. That seems like a lot. Let's go see how much it's going to cost here. I'm going to stake the max here. You can see the ROI I'll make in 1 year. If I stake this now, I'll make $942. So I want to say confirm. And it'll charge me 2 CRO. So, do I want to make 2 CRO? Do I want to pay 2 CRO or 6 CRO? Now, here's the problem. vastly, vastly different rates. You see here, this is a 300% return, which is very respectable. All right, I'm taking $50, turning into $9.50, or go back to MM Optimizer, and I didn't see a calculator on this side. However, it will be exponentially more at 2,300%. So that's just kind of crazy. It's crazy talk. So I'm going to pay the 6 CRO. I hate doing that. It's $3. Okay. Shouldn't be a big deal in the long run, right? Okay. I don't have any meerkat NFTs to make the boost. Okay, I'm not a baller. I can't afford their NFTs for 5,000 CRO, okay? So if you do, you can stake them and get even more interest. You can make it more worthwhile. But for me, I'm just small potatoes for these guys. I'm just doing this so I can show you guys how to do it and the advantages, disadvantages of staking and launching into this. So, all right. We are now staked and earning interest at 2,442%. APY, of course. APR of 325.15%. So, be sure to subscribe to see how this turns out over here at the Mad Meerkat Optimizer, MMO DAP. Thanks for watching.